In reception, the expectation for subtraction is that they can subtract a 1 digit from a 1 digit. In year 1, they need to be able to subtract a 1 digit from a 2 digit with going up to 20. And then in year 2, they need to be able to subtract a 1 digit from a 2 digit number and a 2 digit from a 2 digit number. Now, the way we look at that in early years is starting with the concrete form. So simple real life experiences, whether they are doing real life shopping or anything like that, where you've got a certain amount of items, for example 6, and then we are looking at subtracting away and then seeing how many are left. We will use equipment like this. We will also use equipment like bead strings, where they have a number such as 9 and then they physically remove, let's say 3, and get left with their 6. We will also introduce the concept of numicon to them. So if we had 9 and we were subtracting 3, we encourage the children to lay the numicon piece on top of the larger one and then count how many is left, either by counting or by looking for the matching piece. That also helps with partitioning numbers to know how many, what numbers make a larger amount. And then in addition to that, we will look at the part whole model and the bar model. So part whole and bar model we looked at with addition and is very similar to subtraction. So with the part whole, this time, when we were looking at addition, we were given part and we had to add them together to find the whole. With part whole for subtraction, what you'll find is you are given the whole and at least one of the parts, and then you will be asked to find the missing part. So this would be a subtraction question, 12, and then we're thinking about 4 and something make 12. We've also got the bar model, which looks like this, where again we're given our whole this time when we're looking at subtraction, and then we're given a part, and then we have to work out that missing part. When we're using these models, we'll be using the concrete equipment alongside, so we'll be encouraging children to find 12 of a piece of equipment, take away 4 and find that missing amount. We'll also use the bar model to find the difference, which would look a little bit different. It would look more like this. So in finding the difference, you're given 2 amounts, let's say 11 and 5, and then the finding of the difference is finding that gap between 11 and 5, which in this example would be 6. But again, we will be using concrete equipment to support the children in being able to find those amounts.